I'm going to show you two ways to do this question. First of all, I did it by drawing a little diagram. I drew 18 little circles in a row, which I'm going to replicate here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, just about fit them in. So we know the full amount across here is 700. And then actually, let me draw it from above now. So then we know that we're told in any block of 5 adjacent carriages, there are 199 people. So this is going to be 199. And if I go the other end, this is going to be 199. And let me just pick these. This is going to be 199. And that means these three, right, well, 199 times 3 is going to be 597. So I can just times 200 by 3 and then subtract 3, 597. And then 700 minus 597 is going to be 103. So there must be 103 people here. But I could make a very similar argument and say that this is 199, and then therefore this is also 103. So what I then have overall here is going to be 199 plus 103. But actually, I don't need to do any of that, do I? I can just see that this, yeah, I'm overcomplicating this. This bit here is just going to be 199 minus 103. So the middle two carriages is going to be 96. And there we are. Method 2 works along similar sorts of lines. I'm going to use a diagram. The answers actually don't worry about that, but I think it helps. They refer to carriages 1 to 5, whereas I'm just going to represent it using a little picture. So there's going to be 199 people here, and then 6 to 10 is going to be 199. And then I'm going to have these carriages, which is 199. And then this here is going to be 100. Oh, okay. Right, we need to be a bit careful now. So these three are also 199. And so if I say the middle two is going to be n, and that's what we want to find, then these three here are going to be 199 minus n. You can see this is shaping up to be a similar sort of question, but we're going to construct an algebraic equation now. Because if I add up these four lots of 199, that's going to give me 796. Just added up 200 4 times to give 800 and minus 4. Then if I minus n from it, then that must equal the total number, which is 700. And from that, we get n is equal to 96. So an alternative take on it, both cases we get 96. Yeah, neat question. Well done.